how to send money on Venmo. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can send money on Venmo. Well, basically to make a payment to other Venmo user, all you have to do is select the option that says pay or request at the bottom of the Venmo app. Now what you want to do is, after you do so, or if you just head into this transfer balance option, then the next step what you'll have to do is you'll have to type in the recipient's name. You input the username of the person you want to pay, then add an amount and a note. Then all you have to do is just tap on the pay option and the payment will immediately go to the user you selected. So this is how easy it is to send money on Venmo. Now you can easily go ahead and download the Venmo application from the Play Store or App Store, and there you can sign up your account easily, and once you have done so, you can use it to start transaction to either receive money or send money through the Venmo application. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.